Good morning, dear student. Today we learn the more services of web services. Web services provide a most important services is called e-shopping. Nowadays we are very familiar with e-shopping. In modern technology, it is possible to we can purchase and sell our products through email. Now read the definitions of modern technology has been developed to extend that even shopping is possible over the internet. The process of shopping done over the internet is called online shopping or e-shopping. Both products and services can be purchased by online shopping. Online shopping is used for business to business transactions or for business to customer transactions with an applications of electronic commerce. Now the online shopping, the advantage of online shopping is first it is convenience. It is very convenient. We are easily seated at our home. If we are not having any vehicles, it solve our vehicle problem also. We are easily shop or purchase anything from the internet only by clicking the mouse or only by giving the order with the cell phone. Now flexibility of shopping. It is very flexible. Online shoppings are available 24 hours, 7 days and 365 days in a year. But offline shopping it is only available for limited time in a day. Now next is product facility and price comparisons. In online shopping so many sites are available and they are having the same products in different sizes and different prices. So we can easily it is very easy for us to compare the different products in different sites. No, they are having some disadvantage also in online shopping. First disadvantage is personal interaction, lack of personal interaction. In online shopping each and everything are available in image form, so we can click the image and get the information related to that products. So it is decrease the personal communications. Second drawback is that so many sites are available in nowadays in internet, so it confuse the user which products are better and which quality is better. Now privacy and security and safety online. First, privacy online. So many good companies are post their privacy policies. So you must be know the good companies privacy policies then before dealing anything or before purchasing anything. Security and safety online. The important considerations after privacies are the security and safety features by online mall. Remember, the good websites are made a complaints of individual standard such as SSL, security socket layer. This standard used to encrypt technology to transfer informations from your computer to online. So before dealing you must be know all the security features of that particular company. Now after dealing anything, online shopping mode of payment. The payment by credit card is widely accepted methods of payment for online shopping. Except that there are different services like e-check, PayPal, bank transfer are also common. The methods of payment is decided upon the mutual trust and familiarity between online merchant and customer. Various methods of payment are described below. First one is credit card, debit card, electronic cash on delivery, check payment and money order. The next services is e-reservations. Web services provide the new one more features e-services. The e-ticket, e-reservation is facility over the internet where you can book your ticket to travel to anywhere at any time in the world. The process of e-reservations is also considered with e-shopping. The payment system is quite similar with e-shopping. Now, the next point is e-group. E-group is a full services incentive making loyalty and promoting agencies virtual marketing place dedicating to creative solutions that work. All organizations have relationship with important audience that are critical to its success. E-group program help you to move people to actions to achieve great things for your business, such as incentive, a dealer, sell trap, partner to sell, move to your products, deliver new customer to try your product, motivate a manufacturers to use your company in their products, thank an employee for a job well done, motivate people to ensure cars, homes, vans, bike, etc. Next services is social networking. Social networking is a group of individuals into a special group, like small rural communities, neighbors, subdivisions. Although social networking is possible to a person, especially in a workplace, university, high schools, it is the most popular online. This is because unlike most high school, college, workplace, the internet is filled with millions of individuals who are looking to meet other people together to share first-hand informations and experience about any numbers of topics. Now, the definition of Twitter. Twitter is a social networking site and microblogging services describe itself a service for friend, family, co-worker to communicate and stay connected through the exchange of quick frequent answers to one simple questions. Twitter able it users to send and read messages known as tweets. Tweets are the text-based short message with the maximum length of 140 and can be subscribed to. The next social networking site is Facebook. Facebook's also a social networking site. It was founded by 2004 by Harvard students Mark Zuckerberg. The originals called Facebook. Facebook is a social networking website indeed to connect friend, family, business associated. It is the largest of the networking site with the running up being MySpace. It began as a college network website and has expanded to include anyone, any or everyone. Facebooks allow you to make new connections who share a common interest, expand your personal networking. Now it is the services of web services. On this part we are learn the e-banking, e-shopping and social networking site. Thank you.